All right, here we have the Magswitch starter kit Featherboard. I use this thing quite a bit. It's fantastic. Let's walk through the features of it and I'll show it to you in action. So again, it's a featherboard, which means that if you're going to be using this to push the workpiece through, the workpiece will move fluidly through, and that's the feathering there. That's the feather effect. See how it just glides right through it. But if it were to get stuck or want to kick back, which is very dangerous, the feathering effect will engage and make it so it can't do that. Now you can see here that I have broken one of mine off. I don't think that's a detriment to the quality of the product. I use this a lot, and I've had it for a long time, and it just shows you it in action. It did get caught protecting the wood from getting kicked back. Now, how does this work? It attaches to a magnetic workpiece. Most of your table saw, router table, band saw, they're going to have a magnetic table for you to work off of. You can tell that when I just place it on there, the magnets are not engaged. It uses these magnets to engage with the table and to provide the protection. They are removable, as you can tell. In order to engage this with the table so that it doesn't move, all I have to do is turn it on, and now you can see that it is rock solid and doesn't move. Overall, this is a very versatile and great starter kit for you because it does come with everything that you need. The other nice thing is that this can be flipped to adjust depending on which side of the cut or which side of the blade you want to use. In this case, the blade would be on this side going this way, the workpiece would be moving towards this direction, and all you have to do is flip it around, and now you can use on the other side of the workpiece, where the workpiece is going that direction. I have several other Magswitch featherboards, and so I really like the products they make, and I recommend them.